People on Facebook want to be entertained. So a repeating drawing like this is excellent, or something like this. These sort of things that are really nice to look at will get a lot of views. Here we have the dog. And with this dog, you have a little story. Because first you think, oh, the poor dog, he's falling to the street. And then suddenly you find out that it's his favorite game. So he does it again and again. And then, if you are able to, like here, to download a free dog training guide, that's excellent even more. Now, here we have an entertaining, meditating animation. Maybe you just want to entertain people, or have just a little bit fun. Yeah. Or maybe now, why is this animation, which is of course good, but it's just words, but words are placed in a very beautiful way. This is in fact a text animation. It has of course a very good content. But why on earth does it have 12 million views? Because I think it is very well made. The music is good, the message is good, it has numbers, it gives you a positive feeling, like you can do something. That's what Facebook is all about.